Guys, look at this stump.
Yeah.
Almost like ankle height. Can you guys, you see how big this stump is?
Yeah.
It's non-existent.
Okay, so.
On this deathbed, our time slips away. And in our final
Yes! Yes! Stop!
moments, silence, and all I can think is time getting away.
Do my settings. Alright, it's gonna be automatic.
Okay.
We're gonna get, no, it's the one rinse wonder.
Oh, that's true.
One and done. And then we're gonna make sure it's gonna be a bulky trick.
Absolutely.
It's gonna be warm.
For sure.
I'm kinda warm, and you know what? It's gonna be light as fuck.
It has to be light.